Hi guys, this is Asal, and today I want to make a video for you to talk about how human beings got into space. So I'm going to fit all that information in 3 minutes, so this is going to be very hard. So first off, I'm going to start off by saying the first idea of when human beings or objects or animals got into space was after World War II, when United States and Soviet Union started competing with each other on how to get people and things into space. But before that, because I said I want to talk about history of how human beings got into space, so I'm going to go way before that, when we got into Earth's atmosphere. Like, how did we even get into Earth's atmosphere before World War II? Because our history doesn't begin with World War II, okay? So let's go back. The first time human beings started putting things in the air was in China, where they started putting hot air balloons into the air to send messages from place to place. Then this idea got into Europe and they started sending things not in space into just the Earth's air. And slowly after that, that idea developed in United States, where the two brothers started to make, I'm not going to say an airplane, but flying machines to put into the air. So that's the next step, where it was in the early 1930s where the two brothers started putting flying objects into the air. Slowly that idea developed even more, and we started to get higher and higher so that we get fully into the Earth's atmosphere. But to do that, we need more energy, which means more explosions. And to have more explosions, where do we get explosions from? Chemistry. So slowly in Germany, the idea of chemistry and using chemical reactions developed, until there was a German scientist, and this is a little bit controversial because this German scientist was actually a Nazi who created a chemical reaction where we could slowly use this later on to launch things into space. So yes, this Nazi scientist created this chemical reaction, which later on we had to forgive him to actually use his science. So later on in United States, they forgive him, where they used his science to actually launch rockets into space. Also, on the other side of the world, we had the Soviet Union. The Soviet Union was the first country to actually send satellites into space, and that was the Sputnik. And after that, they sent the first cosmonaut into space, the first man into space. And after that, they sent the first woman into space. Then, here in the United States, we started sending man on moon. So that's how we got to the moon, and now I have a video that's over 3 minutes long, and I'm really not sure how I'm going to use this to put it on TikTok. But you know what? This is gonna go on YouTube, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a good day. Goodbye.